so excited to be back with the stars of the brand new musical everyone is talking about, Charlie and the Chocolate Factory, based on the beloved Roald Dahl tale and now on Broadway at the Lunt-Fontanne. Here is a medley of I've Got a Golden Ticket and It Must Be Believed to Be Seen.
I never had a chance to shine, never a happy song to sing.
But suddenly half the world is mine.
What an amazing thing, 'cause
I got a golden ticket. Oh, Charlie, your father would be so proud. We got a golden chance to make our way. And the golden ticket is a golden day.
Beyond this door's a factory, begat from just a bean. Beyond this door, surprises in store, but it must be believed to be seen. Beyond this door's invention, where mind meets with machine. Beyond these gates, astonishment waits, but it must be believed to be seen. No magic spells, no potions, for swear legerdemain. My kingdom's created from notions, all swirling inside of my brain. Beyond this door's a banquet of Wonka-made cuisine. A lucky few will get to pass through, but it must be believed to be seen. Beyond this door is music, come dance betwixt and between. Beyond this waltz is a world without faults, but it must be believed to be seen. Beyond this door's a puzzle, you'll find out what I mean. Beyond this gate is a world I create, but it must be believed to be seen. Your life's about to change now, so don't get left behind. Do things appear quite strange now? Imagine the wonders you'll find. Beyond this door is chocolate, so tasty, it's obscene. So follow me, and I guarantee that this world I've conceived and all I've achieved must be believed to be seen. Golden ticket winners, Gloop, TV, Beauregard, Salt, Bucket. Do come in.